Hey, what's up everyone? My name's Adam with Antique Auto. Yesterday I dropped off my 58 Buick Roadmaster Miss Piggy to the exhaust guy, and I just got a phone call. It's ready to be picked up. So let's go get it. Well, I just went and picked up Miss Piggy from the exhaust guy, and good news, everything's all nice and tight, no leaks. That the giant leak that I had was right at the connection where the manifold and the header pipe were, and both the studs were stripped out, so the pipe was literally just flopping around out there. He replaced all 4 studs in the manifolds, and the butterfly valve, the heater riser valve, I don't know what you want to call it, that's built into the manifold had been cut out already, so didn't have to worry about that. And this thing sounds really good. I had them put a set of resonators in the back where they're supposed to be, and runs great. I don't feel like I am driving a jalopy. Just need to get the carburetor swapped out, we'll be golden. A little bit of a high idle right now. Fix that when I swap the carb out. Super happy though. A little over 500 bucks out the door for a full exhaust system with 2 mufflers and 2 resonators. I'll take it. That was a short and sweet video today, but next one I've got going is a pretty good diagnostic video on this 65 Riviera I've got going here about a driveline vibration. So stay tuned on that. I'll probably have it next week sometime. I'm waiting on the drive shaft right now, so when I get it in the car, we'll make it happen. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.